So you just go to that, to website, whatever. Then you just, it's the first one might say Minecraft Pocket Edition. The bottom it will say 0.9.0 alpha. Click on it. Then you just want to put install button that says it's on green. White, the words is on white, but the outside is green. So you just click on it. Then it might say it again. Just put done and install. Then you'll be ready to play. And yeah, guys. For me, I wouldn't do it because it'll take you more time. Because if you just could wait, because the 0.9.0 is about to come. So you could wait, or you could do that if you just want to see, if you just want to rush and stuff. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed, and peace out, and stay creepy, like always. This is Joe Creeper 14 here, and yeah, put in the comments if you want me to do more stuff, like what comments you want me to do, because I have a computer, I could do stuff with it, play Happy Wheels and stuff like that. I played Happy Wheels before. Play stuff. I have to download it. Yeah, guys. Peace out. And yeah, have a good day. So yeah.